Hello, gorgeous people! If you have been dreaming about studying and living in Germany, but you feel completely lost in the application process, don't stress. I'm here and I got you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently apply to your dream university without the headaches. And about me, I'm Denise. Welcome to my page. If you're planning or wishing to move to Germany for studying or work and you feel completely overwhelmed by the tons of information that is out there in the internet, on social media, don't stress. I'm here to make things easier for you. On this channel, I share everything about studying in Germany, working in Germany, student life, and how to balance all of this so you can enjoy your life here without being super stressed. I'm guiding you step by step how to apply to German universities without the confusion. Let's go! You know, applying to universities abroad can be overwhelming. I've been there. So many deadlines, so many documents, so many rules. But don't worry, I will break it all down in a simple, easy to follow way. Grab your coffee, take your notes, and let's get started. Step 1. Pick the right university for you. Before you even think about application, you need to figure out where and what you would like to study. And trust me, this decision is so important because this will shape your entire life here in Germany. First, what do you want to study? Think about your passions, your strengths, and long-term goals. Do you see yourself in engineering, business, design, or maybe medicine? Pick something you actually enjoy, because if you would like to change this in future, it will cost you a lot. And switching majors later can be very stressful and expensive. Where do you want to study? Germany has over 400 universities, and they're not all the same, believe me. Some are in big, vibrant cities like Berlin, Hamburg, Munich, where there's always something happening, and others are smaller, peaceful towns where you can focus on your studies 100%, which is also important. You need to choose carefully. My tip for you is, if rankings are important to you, check out universities like Munich Technical University, Aachen Technical University, Heidelberg University, especially for medicine, and many others more. But honestly, almost all German universities offer really high quality education. I would suggest not to stress too much about the prestige of the university. Step 2. Check the entry requirements. Now, here is where things get serious. Just because you found the perfect university, it doesn't mean you can apply right away. Every program has specific requirements, and if you don't meet them, your application will be directly rejected. I know this is harsh, but I'm here to help you so this doesn't happen to you. Entry requirements are a higher education entrance qualification. There are some NC restrictions, which means admissions quotas, and other additional requirements such as portfolio, maybe work experience, entrance exam or interview. About high school education qualification, this is basically your high school diploma or your previous degree, but Germany doesn't automatically recognize foreign diplomas. You need to check if yours is recognized in Germany. You can do this on the AAD website or the Anabin database. You can find these links down below. About NC restrictions, which means numerus clausus, some programs, especially medicine, pharmacy, dentistry, and psychology, have very strict admission quotas. If you are applying for these programs, your grades need to be amazing because competition is high. Additional requirements can vary depending on your program. A portfolio might be required for arts program, work experience might be required for MBA or specialized programs, and entrance exam or in universities can be additionally required for some specific universities. My tip for you is, if your grades are not that amazing, not that high, and you are worried about NC restrictions, apply to less competitive universities or cities. There are so many great options outside of these high-ranked schools. Step 3. Language requirements. Let's talk languages. Do you really need to speak German to study here? Let's find out. Well, it depends. If your program is in German, you need to prove your German proficiency, and there are no shortcuts here. The most common exams and certificates you can provide are TestAF. You usually need minimum of 4 from all the parts. DSH. This one is usually taken in universities, and each university has their own passing grade. Goethe certificate. They usually require C1 or C2 Goethe certificate to start your bachelor or master's degree. And if your program is in English, you're lucky. You don't have to learn German for your studies. But you need to prove your English proficiency with the following exams. IELTS. Most universities require a score of 6.5 to 7 minimum. TOEFL IBT you usually need minimum of 90 to 100 plus. But some universities might not even need this English certificate if you studied in English and you can prove this. My tip: even if your program is in English, start learning German. This will be a game changer for your daily life, your social life, and for your future career and your life in Germany. And trust me, Germans really like it when you make an effort to learn their own language. Step 4. Be aware of the application deadlines. Germany usually have two main intakes, winter semester and summer semester. Winter semester starts in October, which gives you a space to apply from May till July. Summer semester starts in April, which you can apply from December till January. And I highly recommend applying at least 6 weeks before, because documentation, application checks, this takes time. Step 5. Start gathering your documents. These are the general documents you will definitely need while applying to German universities. Your diploma and transcripts, language certificates, motivational letter, passport copy and photo, CV, and if needed, portfolio or work experience proof. My tip is always sending the certified copies and not originals, unless the university is asking for them. Step 6. Fees and Uni-Assist. There are a lot of universities who you can apply individually, and there are a lot of universities who are using Uni-Assist as an application tool for the students. If your university does Uni-Assist, you will need to create an account in Uni-Assist, upload your document, pay the fee, which is 75 euros for your first application and 30 euros each for extra other ones, and submit before deadline. As I said, some universities you can directly apply from their website. Please make sure you check this. And you're almost there. Here are some bonus tips to increase your chance. Apply to multiple universities to boost your chance. Look at smaller cities. There is less competition and same quality education. Highlight volunteering or extracurriculars in your application. And keep an eye on summer intakes. There are always less applicants for summer intakes. You have higher chance. That's it, gorgeous people! Applying to study in Germany is totally doable. You just need to stay organized and planned. The key is preparation and patience. If this video helped you, give it a like, comment below your questions, and don't forget to subscribe and go follow me on Instagram for daily tips. I see you in the next one. Bye!